What a beautiful day.
Buongiorno.
Thank you. Perfect. Trading in Italy versus trading in Asia. What is the difference from a perspective of an European that lived in Italy for a really long time, but also in Asia for a really long time? Guys, I want to mention that one place is not better than the other, but I will share with you in this video my personal experience, the pros, the cons, what I personally experienced, and I really hope that my video is going to open your eyes and for you to discover a better choice for yourself when it comes to trading. If you do not know me, my name is Andrea and I've been trading for more than 6 years now. I generated over 2 million in profits with my team. We're mainly trading gold. I will leave a quick link in the description if you want to check our channel. I will also kindly ask you to like and subscribe and to leave your questions in the comments if you have any. Okay, now let's get to it. Okay, so as an European trader, I experienced both. Living in Italy, having a slow life, longer breaks, relaxation, amazing views around, the city life, the seasons, the espresso in the morning, the elegant lifestyle, the scenery. There are a lot of good things about Italy, right? And then here comes Asia, where you have tall buildings, rushed lifestyle, tropical islands, heat, pools, nice villas. The days are shorter, a lot of new cool concepts, technology, a lot of crazy things going on, a lot of populations, motorbikes. It's a fast lifestyle, it's not that slow. Which place is better? Well, as I told you, I experienced both. I used to trade in Europe, and Europe has some kind of energy, some kind of vibe attached to it, right? Sometimes it's cold for a really long time. Like in the winter, people are more serious, they work hard, they think long term, there is structure, there is discipline, everything combined. And when it comes to trading and locking in and making sure that you're focused, I think that this helps a lot. Whereas in Asia, it's more about remote work. You can work at different cafes, you travel around, you see new beaches, you try new spots, you move around, right? You do not stay in one single place. You book one Airbnb, then you move to another one. You discover a lot of beautiful things. But it's not always about the scenery and the environment, even though this will affect your trading, right? Sometimes it's about technicals, and technicals can still be affected by your location. So let's see what kind of person you are. Maybe some of you like to be morning people. I am not a morning person, so personally I prefer trading in Asia because London session starts in the afternoon and New York session it's later at night. Whereas if you wake up in Europe, you're going to have to wake up around 7, 8 a.m. in order to catch the London session to trade gold and New York session in the afternoon. So if you're an early bird and you prefer to work in the morning with your coffee and you do not like slow mornings and you do in fact like trading in London session, you should consider that because it definitely affects your trading. If you do not like to stay up late at night to trade New York, then Asia is not for you. As I said, I am not an early bird. And what I prefer mostly is to wake up a little bit later. Usually here it gets dark around 6 p.m. whereas in Europe we have longer days. And what I like to do is to wake up a little bit later, have my coffee, go a little bit, explore outside, do something good for myself, have a slow morning, journal a little bit, spend time with my boyfriend, spend time with my family, and after that I will start to trade, which is later at night when it's already dark and I don't have anything to do outside. So this is what I prefer. I prefer to trade sometimes even late at night. But I believe that if you're a morning person and you want to get over your setups quick, stay in Italy. It's beautiful. You have a lot of beautiful places like South Italy that have a very good weather, very good conditions, and you can perform great. Okay, so for me, when I'm in Asia, I feel a little bit more relaxed because people around me sometimes are vacationing, are in holiday. I see a lot of Italians in here, a lot of Europeans, especially I saw them a lot in the Philippines, in Thailand. A lot of Europeans love actually to experience living in Asia, and also I met other traders on the way that share the same thoughts. It's a little bit more relaxed. But again, this is only if you prefer a slow morning. So you have your free time in the morning, gym, eating healthy, having an exotic lifestyle, and then to start trading. But if you do not like all of these things that I mentioned, Italy is for you. 100%. Keep in mind that there's a lot of heat in here. I may look relaxed and calm, but in here we have like 30, 31 degrees all of the time. It doesn't get lower. So be prepared. Another thing that you can do while living in Asia is actually trading the Asian session. If you're still a morning person and you prefer Asian session, because there are some people out there are some traders that prefer to trade this for GBP, JPY, for example. Then again, Asia might be for you, because if you live in Italy, the Asian session will happen at night. I feel like when you're living in Asia compared to when you're living in Europe, you have more time for the morning analysis. You have time for the higher market structure. You have time to observe the buyers. You can see the momentum clearer because you have a lot of time in the first couple of hours of the day to actually see a bit how the market is moving. Whereas if you wake up in Europe, you kind of have to already look for your setup because London is starting. You didn't see exactly how the candles were printing before. You didn't see how fast they moved. I feel like sometimes this flow of seeing how Asia moves helps me a lot when it comes to my London setups. But outside of charts, it's also the quality of life, who you get surrounded with. In Europe, it's quite harder to befriend and connect with other traders, whereas in here you can find Forex traders, crypto traders in cafes. You can connect easily. There are a lot of events that you can attend. Those places were specifically designed for people like us that can work from anywhere, have freedom, have enough money because we're profitable, we're traders. We're making in 2 hours what others make in a month. It's a huge difference. We have a lot of services prepared here for us. But again, that doesn't mean that Italy would not be good for you. If you like to have a more serious environment, then Italy is for you. But if you can work in a relaxed way and you prefer a relaxed way of working, Asia is for you, specifically Thailand. And now I have to come up with a conclusion. I do not really have one because it really depends on you. For me, sometimes I feel like I want to live in Europe and other times that I want to live in Asia. And guess what? I can do both and I commute. Sometimes I'm actually moving back to Italy because I miss the lifestyle that I get in there. And when I get done with it, when I'm fed up with it, I'm just coming back to Asia and so on. I'm just commuting back and forth because sometimes I want this exotic vibe. I want the nature, the relaxation, the vacation vibe. And other times I want to feel the rich culture. I want to feel a little bit of the Italian vibes. So I hope that this video helped you even a bit. This was my personal opinion. Do not forget to check my community. We have a lot of traders from Europe in there. If you're not from Europe, you're welcome as well. We're offering setups, free courses, mentoring, it's free as well. Our trading style is a little bit more aggressive. We're mainly focused on gold scalping, but you're more than welcome to check our systems, our strategy, and our offer. If you would like me to discuss about another subject, feel free to let me know in the comments and I will absolutely do so. I will show you around. I will tell you about the costs of living in Asia. I will tell you about multiple things that might interest you. Thank you for watching.